Hello my beautiful people, now welcome back for Congo Sang Gossip TV. This video now about some woman where he actually go for supermarket for vice president picking his store. He go collecting when no be own my people. He go take money when no be own no my people. So now the video that way we go do on today, but before one dive into the video, welcome do all to subscribe, sit down, and I go leave the video more than listening waiting the talk before we come back and give our opinion, my beautiful people. When I listen for ourselves.
It was when I saying he now saw he was not looking for his bag because that bag was his own. That's why she removed it. The guy's like, where's my bag? I said, I have something there. See, my bag is there. Bring my bag. See, that's when she now started to panic. She didn't do as if okay.
You guys have to get up by yourself.
Because me, I was wondering.
Where we did?
The reason for shouting now. The reason for shouting is just so that we will stop talking about the money. No, you calm down. There's nothing she wants.
Hello my beautiful people, una welcome back. Una don't see what don't happen. Una see how they don't catch the woman, and the woman they still get mouth to talk, my people. My people, now which kind of story be this? Now which kind of disgrace be this where this woman carry itself, it go disgrace itself for boutique. So this incident, my people, it happened for daughter for vice president for Nigeria, a boutique, my people. When I know say cameras and they for majority of this boutique them. These video surveillance cameras, my people, they don't put an eye with this woman. It don't just enter. As they enter the boutique, so my people, he meet us on back for that shell on the sea. So he see and say this back no be back where they sell. Now customer back automatically money go there that back, my people. So he just stand for the, they shake again. He just stand for the, as he stand for the now, my people, he take a request for some clothes. As they give the clothes, he cover the back with them. As he cover the back, he always stand for the. If they request me a sales girl bring you this. If they request me sales girls bring you that one. If they request all kinds of things. They struggle for chucky hand. When they see my people, they struggle for chucky hand for inside for move the back. For move money inside the back, my people. Me people no. They shake. First of all, one thing when me and Nona say. When you go for boutique, for go do shopping, my fellow people. When you reach for the boutique, what do they do? Nobody they work out, they post inside the boutique. You they work out for see to where he find you. You they work out for see if you go meet up to where you they look for. You go meet up find dress, you go meet up find shoe or find back, my people. But this lady, since when she entered the boutique, she stay in one place. She stand not only for that shell because of waiting, she don't cover back. When they say she dey struggle for arrange that dress so that she go chook her hand for inside my people. She go move money inside the back way. The sales girls, no go see. When she stay one place, even the sales girls, she not sharp. She not ask herself question. So now which kind of person this way? He can't for inside boutique, my people. For can't buy, but he not buy at all. He the only stand not only for the look for this for me. Bring this. Don't you have this kind of dress? I'm looking for something like this. No, go and look another one. She not be satisfied with anything when they bring her. She go ask something, they go bring her. She say no, she don't want this one. She want another one. They go find her. And so sales girls that they work her. They say, oh, they go sell today. They don't know say now thief, my people. Onyori. Thief, my people. Now she can't stand for this, she only collect. I want to talk for all these sales girls them and all these madam them where they get boutique, where they get sales girls for insight. When I know say when person come for car buy, my people, if they come, it come for car waka, it get for waka for find his own things and way it like my people. But if one person come, if they stand only for one place, they do nothing. If they only send sales girls, go and bring this one, go and bring that one. Nobody even say it should not my people because there is a difference. Say person go come, he go ask seat, when I go give his seat, he go sit down. Una understand? As he sits down now, for play when I know this, they touch no nothing. When I go bring everything. But this woman no sits down. When I see how they chook your hand inside that back, if they remain one place, they only they struggle for sending hand for thief. They only they struggle for sending hand for collect waiting no be her own, my people. When I see this situation, so for all the sales girls them and all the madam them way, they get boutique where they get sales girls inside. Make una be very careful. If you there here, you never put video camera surveillance for your boutique. Wait till they wait for this one a clear example for say May you be very careful. Na time that or na time this for put camera for your boutique, my people. Una imagine if at all it no be being a person it back, my people. If it be being a even customer or it be being na market where they supposed sell, na market where they supposed actually make money from. This woman go see enter, it go spin and fit go because person where it get this kind of hat for the thief so for front sales girls. When they say she cover her hand, my people. It is struggle for cover her hand and say make she take the money where person no go no. So if she feel they do this kind of thing for front sales girls, my people, she feel if your boutique go with her. See how she they chook hand. My people. Why this woman go do this kind of thing? Why this woman go come out the house can't disgrace herself like this? And she still get mouth despite that, my people. Sales girls, make una be very careful. Make una be very careful. If you feel be na una madam market where this woman can't collect, so he go. Tomorrow una madam go say, a shortage dey money no dey or clothes no dey markets no dey. Wait till they happen. My goods then they finish, but I know they see money. They go hold una sales girls and say, now una don't actually spin those things and but when a customer it don't come. As una no be vigilant, it don't carry it and go, my people. May una be very careful because this life day so no balance. Wahala full this 2021 sha. May una be very careful, my beautiful people. This one that thing will happen for boutique way customer. Actually, una they see am customer day. The customer that he don't finish buy he things them. He don't finish buy, he know they see it back. He say, where my bag day? And I ask these sales girls, they say, I put my bag there. Now the sales girls are they find them. They find as they find and now that woman he start the shake. He start the shake, my people. Now for you see as the sales girls before the man himself step now, he can't forget take it back, my people. As he can't forget collect it back, now when they see the issue with the money, the woman still get guts for talk say, make they search everybody, no be he collect the money, why he be saying for him, they ask him, may they search anybody where he did it, they search everybody back, but when she knows that she collect the money, my people. Some people are mean and heartless. Some people don't say shame by disgrace, my people. If at all now they for meet the money inside the woman back, if for talk say waiting, say now money where he bring her. Oh, that is people not get conscience, people not get heart, people not they fear. Now so now the woman, this beautiful woman, see how good looking she be. My people, they say if people at times say if they come here, they dress self pass person where get money. If they dress self pass person where get money. If this man no become toxic, now yeah, I put my back. Or if this woman, he be finished do all this thing, he go before that man come for take it back, my people. Una know which kind of wahala if for day. Una know which kind of wahala if for be for this boutique. Una see how they open and they charge. The man can say, now yeah, I put my thing. Now yeah, the woman still get mouth for insult people, my people. He still get mouth for insult people. Say me they search here, they search there. My people, this thing don't pain me. And I say make I run quick. I run quick, bring a phone. Now more than nothing that this kind of thing they happen. More than be very, very careful because una fit fall for situation where no be una own. Yes, we picking the fit fall for this kind of situation. We not be them thief and when a customer don't come inside because of negligence, it spin things where it no be own, my people. Now say make I run bring a phone. More na see am. Una not forget for like, subscribe, share the video, my beautiful people. I go see una for my next video. I love una plenty. Una be part of my family. Una subscribe, like, comment.